Hello, everybody.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're now on the record.
Okay, good morning, everyone. This is the matter of John McCarthy versus Director of Connecticut Valley Hospital. Would you identify for the record plaintiff first?
I'm John Joseph McCarthy.
Okay, Mr. McCarthy, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alina Bricklin Goldstein, Assistant Attorney General on behalf of the respondent.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. McCarthy, this is a hearing on your motion to disqualify. You filed a motion to disqualify. You actually, it's docketed as a motion for order. It's at number 113 in our docket.
Line on here.
I'm sorry?
Go ahead. No, with him. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so anyway, you say that you want to disqualify. You don't name the judge. You don't name the judge, but you entitle it motion to disqualify, motion for judge to disqualify. And you simply say that McCarthy moves pursuant to state and federal law for the present judge to disqualify. I'm going to hear this motion to disqualify. I don't know if it was your intention to apply it to me. I am Judge Edward Domnarski, or if you intended to apply it to another judge that has made rulings on the case.
The last judge that I saw on the video.
Okay, was it? That
no,
may have been.
It wasn't you.
That may have been Judge Rupal Shah.
I don't know.
Female.
Yeah, that must have been her.
Okay. Just for purposes of identifying, was that a female judge?
Yeah, it was a female.
Okay, I think then it must have been Judge Rupal Shah. Okay, so Mr. McCarthy, I am going to hear your claim of disqualification. Please tell me why you feel this Judge Rupal Shah should be disqualified.
I want the Attorney General's office off of the case. It's my contention that they're deliberately mishandling this case, and also they're allowing the respondents to break the law. They broke the law already, and it's the Attorney General's responsibility to look into that or send it to the appropriate law enforcement agency. And instead, what they're doing is protecting these people. So I got that issue, and I also got that they're deliberately protracting the habeas corpus. So to keep me in here, and defeats the purpose of habeas corpus. I mean, this habeas corpus is not going to be heard now for several months, and it's going to be over a year.
So let me make sure I understand, Mr. McCarthy. You mentioned the Attorney General's office. I don't know who you're referring. Are you referring to the defendant?
Respondent.
I mean, or the respondent?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me just also clarify. You previously had the court appointed counsel for you previously.
Yeah.
And then you stated you did not want that appointed counsel to represent you. Am I correct on that?
That's correct.
Okay. So you want to proceed without counsel?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a basis for that too. I can afford counsel. So they wasn't supposed to represent me.
Well, okay. Well, for right now, to the extent you're making claims against the Attorney General's office, that's not really before me. What's before me is your claim that Judge Shah should be disqualified from the case. So if you could focus on why you feel Judge Shah should be disqualified from hearing this case, that would be helpful to me.
All right, because she's mishandling the case by allowing it to be dragged out. She's ignoring the rules. She's defeating the purpose of habeas corpus. Those are the reasons. It's prejudicial.
Okay. I think I understand your claim. Attorney Bricklin Goldstein.
Thank you, Your Honor. I don't take a position on Mr. McCarthy's motion. We don't have a basis upon which to formulate a position as to any rule breaking or protracting of the case.
Okay, thank you. All right. All right, Mr. McCarthy, is there anything else you want to say about on this particular matter?
Well, if that's it, if that's the only matter that's on the motion, I thought I had put more matters. I thought it was the Attorney General's office and it was the court and the Attorney General's office, which would have been this one.
Well,
right here.
again, you've made a motion to disqualify the judge in the case. That has nothing to do with the parties that are.
I thought I put both in.
Well, wait a second. In your motion for order number 113, it says motion for judge to disqualify from the case.
That's it.
And you only speak about your claims regarding the judge. There's nothing else about counsel for the defendants or respondents.
Respondents. All right. If that's what's there, then we'll just have to proceed on that. And it's what I said.
Okay.
The judge is allowing the case to be deliberately protracted. I feel it's prejudicial. It's going to be a year before it's heard. And I feel that defeats the purpose of habeas corpus. I don't have access to a law library here, so I can't research any of the state law to support any of my claims. So I'm just putting them out there, hoping Your Honor would know the law, and that's where it's going to go.
Okay.
So it's my contention that she's allowing it to go on and with no purpose, and she's allowing it to go on with no purpose, and allowing the respondent to file motions where they raise issues that are frivolous and are a waste of time. And this is just to defeat the purpose and to protect these people here.
Okay. Well, again, Mr. McCarthy, you are the moving party here. You have the burden of proof with regard to your claims regarding the habeas corpus. I will note that there was a scheduling order that was proposed on April 7, 2025. That's number 110 in the docket, and that scheduling order was accepted by the court. Are you familiar with that scheduling order, Mr. McCarthy?
I don't believe I received it.
Well, I have a copy that you signed it.
The mail in here, what's the date on it?
The date of the scheduling order was April 7, 2025.
You got them papers I gave you?
Yeah, but I don't have April 7th.
Let me look at them.
As far as the scheduling order, Your Honor, would that be something that's mailed to Mr. McCarthy? Because the way that it was left,
The papers, let me get them.
like that, it's just the one that you gave me.
All right, let me get that.
Well, I see his signature on it. I don't know if he kept a copy or not.
Most likely I did, but I want to see here.
That's May 7th. That's all I have as far as paperwork.
This was, there's one here for 5/19 of the court date. And there's one here for 6/9. That's today.
Well, I'm just looking at I appreciate that. I'm just looking at the date. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have the clerk send a copy of the habeas scheduling order to you, Mr. McCarthy.
All right.
So would you do that for me, Kelly? That's number 110. And I do expect you to follow through with that. And let me just see something here. The case has been set down for a court trial on December 15, 2025.
That's the court's date.
Last year.
That's the court's, there's a court trial scheduled on December 15, 2025.
Right.
Okay,
Don't worry about it.
Oh, yeah.
again, Mr. McCarthy, I'm going to take this motion under advisement. I appreciate that you may think that habeas corpus is a rather simple matter, but I can tell you that it is a legal matter that has some issues related to it. I urge you to obtain counsel if, to proceed in this matter. Otherwise, the court will, proceed to take up the matter in due course.
Yeah, well, I'd rather that, because I can't afford counsel. I have.
Well, you
money to
had-
pay for-
the court
I can't
was
wait. No, I can't.
The court was prepared to appoint counsel to you.
Yeah, but if you give me counsel now, they're gonna just drag it out, and I can't afford counsel, and that's an opposition.
You don't have to, if the court appoints counsel on your behalf, you do not have to pay for it.
I know, but I'm
And right
saying,
now, the case is scheduled for trial in December. So it's not going to happen before that. And frankly, if you're not ready, my point is you better be prepared to present your case in December. And if you don't have counsel and you don't do a good job presenting your case,
I
who
lose the
knows what's
case.
going to happen? I'm just saying
Yeah,
that counsel, I don't think counsel are going to hurt you. I think they can only help you. But you've got to make the
Well-
motion to get them.
no, I don't want, I'll take the case myself.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
All right, we'll send you the scheduling order.
All right, thank
And,
you, Howard.
and I'm going to, right now, just so you know, there is a status conference scheduled on November 24th to discuss the status conference for the upcoming trial, which is scheduled for December 15th,
Yeah, I have that.
2025.
I have
Okay.
that. Yeah,
You're aware that the case has been scheduled for trial?
yeah.
Very good. Okay.
I'm
All
aware
right.
of the trial and the status conference.
Yep. You got both? Okay. All right. Anything more on your motion to disqualify? Mr. McCarthy?
No, that's it. I raised it up about the judge.
Okay. I understand.
What he's doing.
Okay. And just for the record, Attorney Brooklyn Goldstein, anything more?
No, Your Honor. I'll just inform the court. I anticipate filing a motion to dismiss probably later this week.
Okay, well, that's up to you. Anyway, in any event, I will take this matter under advisement. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, but next.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.